What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. I'm here in the 2016 Toyota Tundra's bed. I want to give you guys a owner review of the bed rug that I have in the back of my truck. Kind of give you pros and cons of it. I've had it for almost 5 years now. I've hauled dirt and everything else you can think of back here. I had the spray-in liners on my last 3 Tundras, so I kind of know what I'm kind of missing with the different kind of liners here, but let's go ahead and jump on in. All right, guys, here's a shot of the bed rug on the front. So those of you that aren't familiar with bed rug is basically a carpet style liner for your truck bed. Basically, it comes rolled up in a package. You unroll it, zip it together. It uses some Velcro with 3M tape to stick to the bed, and that's how it's held together. So let's see if I can find some of that here, maybe. So here's a good shot of it, the Velcro. That's how it's held on. I don't know if you can see that. So my truck has the deck rail system, so you have to, on the front headboard, you have to cut out for the deck rail, like that. So I did that, but on the side, you don't have to. As you can see, it goes all the way up. I just bolted the deck rail over top of it. So, as you can see, it's got cutouts here for the tie downs. I don't know how well you can see, but it's got a really good cushion. I don't know how thick this is off the top of my head, but I'm here on my knees, as you can see, and it doesn't hurt my knees like you would in a spray-in bed liner bed. I don't know if you can see here, it doesn't set up against the bed perfectly. Like I said, you just zip it up and it kind of is like, it's a mold of your bed, I guess, per se. But, so yeah, guys, I'll let you see here. You can see how dirty it is and stuff I've hauled in here. So I've hauled dirt, loose dirt, like from our farm for our garden in the back of here. And you would think it's hard to clean out of this carpet material. It's really not. What I usually do is I lay a tarp down so it gets the majority of it. And I would do that in a spray-in bed liner either way. So either way, I'd do a tarp. But then when I'm done, I just take a shop vac on this spray-in, and then it just all sweeps out. Because it doesn't get in the textured part of a spray-in bed liner. On my last trucks, dirt would get stuck in there, and the only really way to get that out is pressure wash it, but then you create a muddy mess. So with this one, the bed liner material, the bed rug material is waterproof, so everything just kind of sticks to the carpet material. So what I do is I wait till it dries, and then it's easy to clean up, no matter what it is. So far that I've experienced, I haven't had any complaints about the durability of the bed rug or anything like that. So I'll go ahead and show you the rest of it now. Some of the downsides I have. All right, guys, so one of the downsides I have is I have a bubble rope in this corner. It sat there ever since I had the truck, basically. So I don't know if it'll show, but as you can see, the bed rug's indented there, and there's not very much. The bed rug's basically formed to it. Oh, I'll show you. You can see the dips in it there. So that's a negative. Another negative that I've got at the tailgate, let me jump down and I'll show you guys. Guys, another negative that I've experienced is whenever you're loading something in the bed rug, since this isn't adhered to the paint, like if you're going like this, it'll do this. It'll get caught and rip up this Velcro. So you really gotta be careful when you're loading here. But like I said, so far I haven't had anything damage the bed rug. And I've put, stones some pallets back here. Nothing has really damaged it. You can see where it's frayed. All here, you can see where it's been frayed up. You can see kind of, this part always stays wet too, where it creases with the tailgate, where it closes. It's always wet. But you can see, guys, it's not all that dirty. Granted, it is under a tonneau cover its whole life, so like I said, I just shot back it out and it comes out clean. But so the only real negative I have is it doesn't really protect under the bed. So you see, it's still painted material under the bed. Now let's talk about the pros. For hauling furniture in this thing, compared to my spray and bed liners on my last truck, it doesn't scratch the finish. This provides a really nice surface for like moving wood, dressers, anything like that you don't want to scratch. It also provides a nice padding for anything you put in there. So, you know, when you're going down the highway, these trucks are known to be a little bouncy just from the way they are set up. It helps. I haven't had anything break back here that I've hauled. I've hauled mirrors, glass, nothing has been damaged while hauling in this. Now, compared to my last truck with the spray and bed liner, if I stuck a dresser and you slide it in, you're going to scratch up the finish. With this thing, I can literally set anything in here, slide it back on the carpet material, and it doesn't damage the finish at all on the furniture. So that's a big pro that I've had. We bought our home, so we're hauling a lot of stuff, and this has been great. I know my family loves hauling things that can't have their finish damaged in the back of this bed, just because it provides that cushion. And it's this, like, it just slides well. But at the same time, it also doesn't let items shift as well. I usually don't have to tie anything down. It'll stay where we put it. But it provides a nice cushion in the bed. And then what I really like about this cover too is it goes all the way up. As you can see, it's underneath that bed rail. So that bed rail helps hold it up. So I haven't had any issues with it coming loose with the Velcro or the 3M tape, none of that stuff. If you don't have the bed rails, I don't know how that would be, but I guess it'd be like my front where I had to cut it, you can see. But overall, I really like this bed rug. We went to like drive-in movies, and then we can literally just lay a blanket here and we can lay on this, and it doesn't hurt your back or your tailbone, because like it would on a spray and bed liner that has no cushion. As you can see, it goes down. And you can see how thick it is here. Get you an idea, it's like as thick as half my nail, probably on my index finger. So that's a big plus. If you're in and out of your bed a lot, on your knees, it'll save your knees compared to a spray and bed liner. So yeah, guys, I'll just give you one swoop around here. That's my OEM Toyota cargo net, I think. It's a really good job holding my boots and stuff up there. Used to haul those in this bucket, but then they would fall out and sling around, so. But yeah, here it is. Oh, and here's the warning label. So no fuel in the back of this thing. I want to see if I can show you guys underneath here. I think I'll be able to get underneath there. I'll be curious to see over a few years. I know Tundras have a problem with the bed rusting out from underneath. I put this on when the truck was still fairly new, so there was really no scratches in the bed finish. So when I take this off, it should look just like a brand new truck bed. Guys, I think that's the biggest pro of this bed rug, is if you have a truck and you don't keep them long. For example, like my trucks I've had are a 2010 Tundra. Then I went and bought a 2011 Tundra brand new. All these trucks were brand new. So 2010, 2011, traded 2014, traded 2014 to this 2016. If all of them would have been crew maxes with a 5.5 foot bed, I could have bought one BedRug and reused it on every truck, just buying the new BedRug Velcro kit. They provide you new Velcro to stick to the bed. You probably get that at Home Depot or Lowe's or Menards, but it's $34 for the kit. So in reality, I think I paid $300 for this BedRug. If you can use it on 3 or 4 trucks, I mean, that saves you money. If I recall correctly, when I did an off-brand spray-in bed liner, it was $400 from someone here locally. And then I did a Line-X liner, and it was like $600. So you could buy 2 BedRugs for the price of a Line-X liner. Just saying. So let me know your guys' thoughts on the BedRug. I know some people either hate them or they like them. Personally, I really like mine. It's held up great to everything I do with my truck. If I'm gonna do something really dirty, especially with a 5.5 foot bed, I feel like you go ahead and you get the trailer and haul it, you know, because you can't fit too much in the 5.5 foot bed. But there are pluses and minuses. Like I said, the spray bed liner has more durability. You can literally just throw whatever you want back there and then just take it to the car wash and pressure wash it out. Where with this one, you have to basically vacuum it out. It says you can pressure wash it. I've never done it. I found it's easier just to vacuum the carpet material out after everything's, you know, dried. So if you have wet dirt in here, I usually let it dry. Then it comes up easy with my shop vac. So yeah, guys, that's my 5-year review of my BedRug in my 2016 Toyota Tundra Platinum. So let me know what you guys think in the comments, what you use for your bed. I've had like I said, on my previous trucks, I've had the plastic drop-ins, spray-ins, my first BedRug. And honestly, I think on all my trucks, I'm gonna get the BedRug from here on out. Or at least get the BedRug mat. If it already comes with a spray-in bed liner. A lot of trucks come with the spray-in now. So, like I said, I know this generation of Tundra is coming to an end here soon, but if you buy a BedRug for a truck in its early generation and you trade every 3 years, all you got to buy is the BedRug Velcro kit, and you can literally reuse it endless times until it, you know, gets damaged. Which BedRug has a nice warranty. I'll put that in the description. I don't remember if it's a lifetime or like 10 years or something. It's got a really good warranty. That's what really made me appeal to it when I first saw it, was the warranty. Anyways, I don't want to ramble on too long, so I appreciate you guys watching the video. If you guys like the video, give me a thumbs up. Let me know in the comments what you think about the BedRug, spray-in bed liner or drop-in plastic liner, which one you got in your truck, and what your thoughts are, guys. So if you like what I'm doing, please subscribe to my channel. I appreciate the support and everything you guys do for us. So thanks for sticking around. Have a great night, guys.